here's our chance. Going. Taking the turn lane. Nailed it. All right. Whew. Okay, we are out of our truck stop from last night. That's good. Let's go right. We got our first fuel stop prescribed a few minutes ago. It's going to be at Mach 1, which is a roadie's truck stop we've been to before. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I do not like turns that tilt away from the turn. It is very uncomfortable. Our first fuel stop's at the Mach 1 in Casey, Illinois. We've been there before, so that'll be a familiar stop. It's a roadies. Alright, welcome back, folks. We are in what's left of Tropical Storm Alberto. Actually, I'm not sure if it was ever actually a tropical storm. It was like a subtropical or post-tropical. We're in the remnant low that used to be Alberto. In fact, I think we just crossed into the eye, or what's left of the eye of Alberto, or we should be super close to it. The wind is still coming from the left, so you can tell we're still on the eastern side of the circulation, but we're going to go right through the middle of it on this road. Yeah, there was an accident about a mile back, so traffic's a bit of a cluster right now on the other side. Still doing all right for us, though, thankfully. I had started this recording before we came upon the accident, but I don't really want to use the photo of the accident because I'm pretty sure someone was very badly injured, and I don't want that in my footage. So, yeah, no, we're just starting now. It's all great. Everything's happy. People don't die in this job. I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, look! We're in Alberto. Big tropical system. This is what's left of it. We're dealing with the remnants. Nice and windy. We should be punching into the what's left of the eye pretty shortly. And we'll cross the other side, and then the wind will start coming out of the north. And that's when we'll know we're on the back side of Alberto. Alrighty, we're in Terre Haute, Indiana. We've made it to the other side of the eye of Alberto. And you'll notice the wind is now blowing the spray to the left of all the vehicles in front of us. We have passed through the center of circulation. We are on the back side of it now. It is a lot less intense back here, though we are coming up on a storm cell. It's kind of circulating in the outer bands of what's left of Alberto, so we might still get a bit more nastiness before we get clear. Not every day you get the core punch of friggin' tropical storm, huh? That's a pretty sweet, unique trip we just got to do today. I found that exciting, because I'm a giant nerd. Okie dokie, fuel time. Second thought, I think I'll fuel somewhere else. I don't feel like getting drenched today. Alrighty, we are in Effingham, Illinois. just plain old fun to say. We're going to stop for fuel here because it's not pouring down rain here. It's actually, the fuel's a little bit cheaper here as well. I can only assume the fuel algorithm didn't think I was going to make it this far without needing fuel. So this is actually working out quite fine for everybody. I didn't skip a super cheap fuel stop for no reason. Simply the algorithm thought we would run out by now, and we've been getting very good fuel mileage today, so no worries, no worries. We've still got like 50 gallons before we're at where I consider empty. So that's fine. Also, this Flying J, super easy in and out from the interstate here. About as easy as it gets. Left in, right out, right back onto the ramp. Alrighty. Alright, so I-70, we can just go down there to get onto I-70. Trucks go in down here. It did rain here fairly recently. Everything is soaked. Oh, I see why this pump was not occupied. This is the difficult one to get out of. That could be fun. We are coming up on my first potential stopping point for the evening. The Flying J here in Pontoon Beach, Illinois. Just outside of St. Louis. About as close to St. Louis as I really ever want to park. It's real close to where Route 66 used to cross the Mississippi River at Chain of Rocks. The question is, are we going to get a parking spot? The answer may surprise you. It's only 5:30, so probably. Full stop. Yep, okay. Well, that was disappointing. Cool, none of them turning. That works. Or none of them going straight, I mean. That works for me. That turn very well designed so that trucks may, in fact,
professional like. LGT showing everyone how it's done. Has departed a parking spot directly behind me as we were attempting to park. Actually, those pull-through spots I see back there. Yeah, forget this. Over there. Guy that pulled out of the parking spot behind me did not get out of the way. He just kind of left. He just kind of stayed behind us. Here's a spot I want. Oh, that's so much better. Ooh, you are flying through this parking lot, dude. Dang. This guy's in a real hurry to go somewhere. We're gonna park next to this decker. Assuming no one pulls out from a parking spot right behind me and doesn't move this time. Which, you know, you never know in Pontoon Beach.
Turned on, grab myself a shower, some food. It's gonna be a good day. Anyway, my name is Latitude, as our Angel 17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or commenting. I do read all the comments. Of course, the best place to get a hold of me is on the Twitters at Latitude, no apostrophe. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.